Komar Industries. A firm called Komar is renowned for making the safest, most affordable industrial wood waste compactors and shredder systems. Their machines shred and condense in a single device, significantly reducing labor and transportation expenses. They have various products that attempt to do away with the need for risky manual breakdown, safely handle tramp metals like nails and bolts, and are quiet. One of them is the Komar Auger Pack EM60W. It is a processing device that chops up scrap wood from businesses. Overall strength and durability are increased thanks to the mass and shape of the cast flights, which also improve material distribution to the receiving container. Systems that are manually or conveyor-fed frequently reach higher levels of compaction, which the EM60W precisely provides. To achieve comparable degrees of compaction when materials are fed with a tipper or self-dumping hopper, meter feeding, like this in the EM60W, is crucial. Utilizing a pressure washer is the most efficient way to remove rust from metal. It indicates that selecting a pressure washer that is strong enough to eliminate rust from metal surfaces is the key to thoroughly removing rust. The small water jet has enough force to clear the area of rush and let you avoid doing a lot of labor. A pressure of at least 3,000 psi may be necessary for stubborn areas. A heavy-duty pressure washer, such as this one, can get rid of rust, oil-based paint, algae, barnacles, and other severe impurities. Suokone Oy. Suokone created and produced the Mary Pete MJK 350 DTG. This farm tractor attachment is perfect for managing and removing both new and existing bogs. On bog-based property, you can also employ the machine to create agricultural fields. When moving ahead, the rear hydraulic roller of the vehicle compresses the milled peat. It can be used to topple and crush trees and plants against the ground when traveling in reverse. Additionally, supporting the machine, the rear roller lowers the surface pressure of the tractor implement system. When encountering stones, for example, the POC 3000 safety clutch efficiently guards the gearbox against excessive loads that can happen regularly. With it, production spaces may be reconfigured into an ideal form to keep the areas dry even during rainy summers. Kemroc. Kemroc combines all of its expertise in ground stabilization built around the KSI soil mixing attachment under its new subsidiary, KemSolid. This new division aims to help customers find the best solutions for their projects by utilizing the company's expertise in soil stabilization projects and creating, testing, and manufacturing soil mixing attachments. The KSI trencher attachment installed on a typical excavator is a crucial component. The trencher is built with the strength and ability to dig in even the hardest, rocky soil types. The trencher attach is simple to use and designed for more dependable trench digging. Also, a mobile mixing plant's hoses are used to push a binder solution into the soil through a blade with a moving chain. A sturdy, uniform, dense soil cement structure is created by allowing the resulting soil cement suspension to harden. KSI mixing attachments can be utilized on standard excavators with operational weights, ranging from 40 to 120 tons, depending on the blade length. Last but not least, KemSolid, the new subsidiary of Kemroc, has goals beyond just creating and manufacturing the KSI line of mixer accessories. It has compiled experience and knowledge in particular civil engineering applications. Euroelement. When mining companies in the United States and Canada were confronted with the issue of the possibility of replacing oversized tires quickly without the construction of repair boxes and the use of tire changers, Sefjer Industries Inc. created Mobile Service Complexes, or MSCs. They developed MSCs to lessen the downtime of mining enterprises associated with the necessity to replace the CGS. Its tire fitting complex serves up to 5 businesses in a 250-kilometer radius under the management of one driver operator. Euroelement is Sefjer Industries Inc.'s exclusive distributor in Russia. Sefjer Industries Inc. tire fitting complexes are now being installed on the chassis of Scania and Kamaz vehicles of Euroelement. Considering unscrewing, twisting, and inflating the wheels to working pressure, replacing one 40.00 R57 kgs takes 60 minutes, and replacing the rear set of wheels takes 90 minutes. Sefjer Tatra. The Czech company Tatra has been producing the Tatra 8157, a large army logistics truck, since 2008. It has a 4x4, 6x6, and 10x10 axle versions. The Tatra 8157's chassis served as the foundation for several armored carriers. Tatra 8157 is a member of the Slovak Armed Forces and the Czech Army. This truck is well suited for expeditionary forces and for deployment abroad due to its unique design features. In the civilian sector, Tatra 8157 are also utilized as mobile cranes and fire vehicles. Car crusher. Before being transported for recycling, abandoned cars are shrunk down using an industrial device called a car crusher. There are a variety of vehicle crushers available in the market. In this pancake, a sizable descending hydraulic plate flattens the vehicle. The flattened car parts measure 6 inches tall by 5 to 6 feet wide. These hydraulic cylinder-powered demolition grapples have a primary frame joined 2 or more times. The hydraulic system of the machine on which they are placed moves them. They can be utilized to load and move a wide range of items. It has sufficient force to remove metal fragments and reduce them to manageable garbage. They are helpful in situations when waste separation and controlled demolition are necessary. The jaws have a high structural strength thanks to the parallel metal ribs, which also allow the operator excellent vision. Nemagbv. Here's a footage of the Liber 550 mobile harbor crane with the 50 cbm Nemag cactus grab being used to unload wood and chips. This Nemag cactus grab is offered for cranes or unloaders with a safe operating load of 25 to 63 tons. This grab can handle amounts of up to 50 meters cubed of wood chips and up to 17 meters cubed of scraps. Depending on the volume of material, the Nemag grabs might have 6 or 8 claws. The claws on the grab can be fully opened, partially opened, or closed. The grab has tremendous digging strength thanks to its nearly independently movable claws. The Nemag cactus grabs are unquestionably the most excellent option for handling challenging materials. Their entire line of cactus grabs is designed to hold bulk materials. Their cactus grabs are produced with the highest grade steel because, like with all of their grabs, they wish to minimize the expense of your operations. Low friction cable guides can also be added to the closing rope guide of the cactus grab, greatly extending the life of the closing cable. Heavy construction equipment is indeed helpful for various purposes, especially in large projects. That is why choosing the best heavy equipment for the job is crucial. Everything we've just shown you actually facilitates and accelerates the process of construction as well as other operations. I hope you learned something new and that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching all the way through. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!